Welcome everybody, let's do this happy video. I'm gonna do a happy video today. Look at the daily chart, S&P. I'm just so happy. Just so happy. Can't you tell I'm convincing myself to be happy today? Daily chart, S&P 500 down. Yeah, it's just down big. Maybe, just maybe, we're getting a roll over here. Maybe. We'll see. Or is it just going to be another one of these little turd pullbacks? Going nowhere. But down less than 1% doesn't mean anything. Cycle October 29th. I think that cycle looks pretty good considering this little low right here pretty much matched up with that. This ran a little late past that. This is pretty good right here. Okay, that was pretty good for right there. So yeah, looks okay to me. Looks okay. So yeah, we might see something like this. We are what? Today's October 15th. What are we? 3 weeks away from U.S. elections here, where the left will do everything in their power to steal the election because they know Kamala, Camel, whatever her name is, probably can't win this thing legitimately. We'll see how that goes. If Donald Trump wins the White House, it'll be by I honestly believe this. If he wins the White House, it'll be by miracle. By God's intervention, he gets back into the White House. Because if they don't assassinate him between now and then, they'll do everything in their power to cheat down there in Fulton County, Maricopa County, Arizona, Philadelphia, Michigan, where all the Muslims hang out up there in whatever land. Making sure Omar gets reelected. Their little Muslim buddy. Oh my gosh, I must be racist. I mentioned the Muslims. We wouldn't want the world to think the Muslims are just and Islam is the religion of peace. Oh my gosh, must be breaking. I must have violated about 50,000 YouTube policies. But guess what? I don't care because I don't care about YouTube. YouTube. Go pound sand. Because there's more than one platform now. Thank God we have other platforms that don't censor free speech and tell the truth about how the Muslims manipulate the court systems up there. And the judges cave in because they're getting paid through back channels. Bribed and blackmailed up there. The old Democrats. They never waste an opportunity to do something underhanded, right along with the rhinos. All right, so the S&P 500 looks like it may be starting to pull back. We'll know more in the next few days. Let's look at the trades of the day. We've got to satisfy the hurry up crowd. Got to satisfy the hurry up crowd. Look at the 15-minute chart. What do you know? Here we go. There's your trade of the day right there. 8:45 a.m. Bam. Beautiful. Hey, you know that guy on YouTube? Yeah, you know that guy who said I should lower my subscription rates to 99 cents because that's what the people in Asia do? Do the people in Asia tag these trades this accurate, right on time? Do they? Do they? If they do, you should go get their membership for 99 cents. Why are you watching my YouTube channel? Apparently, the Asians do as good a job as I'm doing. Look at that. Look at that signal. 8:45. Huge money being made. Got a guy on YouTube that won't spend $7.99 a month because he thinks he should get it for practically free when he could be making hundreds of dollars today to pay for the membership for the rest of his life. But nope, he'll complain about it being $7.99 instead. Guess what? Like I said the other day, don't care. Don't watch my YouTube. I don't care. Go over to Rumble. How about Truth Social? You know, where real people talk, uncensored. Yeah. Okay, trade of the day. There's nothing more to say. Huge money. Look at this. From 59.10 approximately, all the way down to 58.60. 50 points. Big 5-0. Cut it in half. What do you get? You get 25. Anybody know how to do math around here? $2,500 today, yet this guy on YouTube is worried about paying $7.99. Yeah. I wonder if those 99-cent Asian subscriptions are going to make this guy $2,500 in a trade. If they do, I don't know. Think about this. If you're on YouTube and you complain about my subscription being $7.99 and you think it should be 99 cents, which you're indirectly saying that the Asians who have Discord memberships for 99 cents can make you the same money that this subscription service makes you. Would you waste your time watching my content? You wouldn't, right? Nobody would waste their time watching my content. They'd be out making $2,500 with the Asians. Ding, 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 ding. I think I smell bullshit. Yep, the bullshit sensor just got detected. Yeah. The truth is, that guy, if he pays 99 cents to the Asians, he can't get this kind of analysis. That's why he's complaining. Because he's a wiener and a whiner. Like 99% of the world is. Hold on to your $7.99 a month, dude. Don't let it go. Don't let nobody steal that $7.99 from you. No, sir. Go buy yourself a couple cookies and half a gallon of gas. You go right ahead. Don't forget about your tobacco. Trade of the day. There it is. For everybody else that wants to watch the rest of this video and all the other products, stick around. For all you microwave folks, you're done. Oh yeah, I'm rolling today. I'm ripping. I'm in happy mode today. Happy. Convince myself to stay happy. One of those days. Dow Jones Transportation pulled back a little bit here, just like the other indices. October 27th, November 4th, right at election time. There's not a lot of time left here, guys, for this decline. Even if we do get a decline, my guess is right now, it might be one of these deals. Like that. On the S&P 500, maybe it's 200 points, 300 points. I don't know. 400 points. You know, right now I would have to say it's probably not going to be big, but it'll probably be something. Russell 2000. Look at that. Defying. In defiance, the Russell 2000 is today. In defiance. It says, no. October 15th, which is today, what cycle low it said? No cycle low. Bam, nothing. Ignored it. Look at this. Cycle low here. Cycle low here. No cycle low. I guess that green cycle stinks. The market boy. Always will surprise you. Russell 2000, looking a little bullish here still. Let's look at the NASDAQ. What's the old favorite, everybody's favorite NASDAQ indice? Cash, NASDAQ, down day, just like the S&P 500. Pretty much tracks, they both track pretty much the same every day. Pretty much, trading a lot of the same stock symbols, as a matter of fact. Down. And let me get off the 2-hour drawing chart because that isn't working. October 16th, which is tomorrow, is a cycle low for that. And then there's one out here November 13th and somewhere at the end of October over there as well. Okay, looks like there might be, maybe, just maybe, the beginning of a little pullback. Though I wouldn't hold your breath. The market seems to be very resilient. Okay, we did have, looking over at the hourly chart here, S&P 500, there was a pullback, a pretty big pullback going all the way to the close of the day, or, you know, to 3 o'clock. Looks like that pullback started back about, whatever, 10, 11 o'clock this morning. It's been ripping ever since. Okay, what are we looking at next? We're going to look at the Nikkei 225, Japanese market. What's going on here? Another big pullback. Oh, big pullback. Yeah. Big pullback day. Okay, not enough to declare that it's anything other than what it shows. It's still bullish. Super bull going on here. Big horns. This has got a lot of work to do to make it anything other than bullish. Okay, but could be the beginning of something. Look at the Japanese yen. Let's check it out. The old yenster. Still going down. Looks like it's trying to find a bottom, but hasn't found it yet. This is trying to make the old curly Q. Negative territory. Huge time negative territory here in momentum. The yen not done bottoming. I wouldn't trade it. Too close to the bottom. Don't know if it's going up. Looks very bearish to me. If this stays negative territory and we get a little bounce and it does one of these deals right here, doesn't go to the top, short the snot out of it, which amazes me after it was doing this forever and a day. But now we're in bearish territory on the daily chart for the yen. So we can't say short the rips yet. We have to wait to see what this SMI does. Okay, looking at the euro dollar futures. Still going down. Hasn't found the bottom. Look at this. Looks like it wants to re-engage even lower. Massive bearish all the way to October 20th. I think the euro is a short right now based on what I'm seeing right here. A small position. Don't forget about the M6E. M6E, that's right. You can trade, that's the micro, I believe. Look at that. There it is. What's it cost on? It's 290 bucks. There you go. 290 bucks to trade this. Talk about small money. You want to take a one-timer contract? There you go. Trade that. Short. Probably going to be okay. At least for a day. Maybe two. Whatever. Okay, look at this. Wow, British pound. Looks like it's trying to find a bottom. 3 days right there in a row of dojis, pretty much. This may have found a bottom. And if it did, then we got to wait to see. This is so bearish right now. Look at the size of this waterfall. It's going to be really hard to get this turned around. I think if this does go up like this, it's going to require a lot of work. Boom, back down again, going into the middle of November, probably. That's super bearish right there. But it could pull off one of these deals. That could happen. Okay. Kind of like what we see over here. See how this was all flat, bunch of dojis? Then it took off and crossed over. I'd be looking for a crossover on the MACD. If it crosses over the MACD somewhere over here, third week of October, third week of October, something like that, late October. If it crosses over, that would be bullish, most likely. Okay, let's look at, we'll look at the US dollar real quick, even though you can't really trade that directly. Still going up. Very strong, 103.25 on the dollar. Let's look at gold. What is gold doing? Gold, resilient as ever. 26.77. What was the high today? 26.85, almost 86. Gold just says, I ignore everything else in the world, and I just keep going north. Gold does not care. Now that looks a little bearish right there, so be a little cautious because that does have a bearish look to it. But it could just do one of these and then cross over. So we'd be looking for gold at some point to cross over on the momentum. Right now, I'd be a little cautious, but it looks extremely resilient. Let's check out silver. We'll do crude oil after that. Silver, well. I'm a little surprised. Okay, track sideways today. Just kind of tracking sideways. So even though we got this little bouncy bounce going on here on the SMI, it just doesn't look like it's gaining much traction. Looks like this may be enough strength downward to continue to push silver down in the near future, down over to here. October 31st. I'll be a little careful about silver. It might decline some more here. It's hard to tell what this is going to do just yet. Because here's the thing. It did reach this bottom line. And even though we're still very bullish here, which is good, we got to be a little cautious here. I'd be waiting to see how high this goes. Does tomorrow get a big green day? If that does that, okay, we're looking a little bit better. If silver pulls back down, 30 bucks, 29 bucks, something like that, man, jump on the old buy some silver in hand bandwagon. All right. As a side note to collecting or acquiring gold or silver bullion to have a hedge against inflation, and you might store it in your safe or whatever. I don't know if I told you the story, probably did, but the lady up in Dallas got her head smacked in. The ganged 4 armed Venezuelan turd balls, evil douchebags, threatened to chop off her fingers if she didn't open up the safe. I think I told this yesterday, $75,000 worth of jewelry and other stuff and Gucci purses and stuff they stole from her. Yeah, really nice people, huh? So that's twice now, both in Colorado and now in Dallas, Texas. Yeah, but there's no illegal immigration problem. No, sir. The mayor up in Aurora, Colorado tried to say Trump over-exaggerated the problem. I wonder what lie they're going to tell us this week about the lady up in Dallas. Of course, nobody in the mainstream media reported about this lady getting her $75K stolen. And the Dallas police, hush, hush, hush. We cannot confirm this is part of the Venezuelan gangs. Yeah, okay, Dallas, run by Democrats. Right. These people are the biggest asses. I know what I would have done if I could have. I would have sent them a one-way ticket straight to hell. And I would not have felt even a moment's worth of remorse about it, because they deserve every last damn bit of it. You know, break into people's house, threaten people, beat them up, beat up old ladies. How the hell do you go? How do you even sleep at night? These people are just plain evil. They have no boundaries, right? There's no moral boundary in them whatsoever. Anything goes. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Beat up this old lady to take her money. Yeah. If you're not well armed and vigilant as an American, I'm not going to call you an idiot. Whoops, I just called you an idiot. My bad. I'm going to say that you are grossly unprepared. That's what I'll say. Yeah, so collect your silver and gold. Just don't tell anybody is my point. Because somebody found out she had a safe in the house. Probably the cleaning lady or the people who delivered the safe and installed it for her, whatever. Keep your big mouth shut. And tell your family the same thing. Closest people to you that know about whatever you possess, don't tell them. Okay? Certainly don't give out your address. All right, let's look at crude oil. Get rid of the fan. That was yesterday's video. Crude oil taking a smackdown. You know, I said I thought crude oil would have a hard time getting going, but it got up there more than I thought. I thought it would run out of gas about 75, 76, but it got as high as, what did it get as high as? Got as high as 78.5, so it got up there a little bit higher than I thought. Looks like it's in trouble here, folks. It looks like crude oil is going to cross back over here and go negative momentum in the next 3-4 days. So we'll keep an eye on this. It is positive momentum, but it looks like it's struggling here. And I could see this coming back down to about 67. Yeah, 68, 67. Something like this. Could happen. Crude oil looks to be struggling to me. Let's look at corn. What's happening with corn? Corn. Trying to find a bottom. That looks like a bottom candlestick to me. It definitely has that look. This cycle low looks like it's extending a little bit longer. Hard to tell if it's done. That right down there. That's pretty ominous right there, this big old gap. But corn may have found the bottom right there at this candlestick. It's hard. That has that look. We'll have to see the next few days bring. May not be at the bottom yet. XLP, which I saw this, I think today. I saw this today in the premium symbols. It was under industries. So if you look under industries, you'll see the industries, consumer industries. It's a different symbol than this, okay, but it's there. And yeah, wow, consumer industries, staples ETF. Looks like it may, just may, the next few days go positive. We'll have to see, can it sustain this push? It may not. It may not. This is October 20th. It's only 5 days away, so it may give it up. It may do a little more, and then bam, or bam. Okay, because there is a cycle low there. There's only 5 days left for that cycle low, but it could come in late. Yeah, and then that. We'll have to see if momentum goes positive. We're kind of in that in-between spot. I think that's it. Become a member, $7.99. Unless you're the guy that wants to pay for 99 cents in Asia and then complain about how I'm too expensive, but he can't get good analysis anywhere else. That's why he watches my videos, see? Yeah, you want the hourly charts? You want the intraday charts? Pay for it. You want the nightly emails? Pay for it. You want to complain about $7.99? Okay, fine. Complain about $7.99. I don't care. Don't care. This is in Asia. This is the United States of America. We do things different, just in case you're wondering. Yeah, that we do it differently here. Okay, yeah. That's it. Everybody have a great day. Talk to you all again real soon next time.